Hey everyone, this is Dara from Daily Crypto Trade Signals, come to you live from Asia, guys. Great time to be live as always, guys. As always, we need to talk about what's going on. Why are we seeing crypto in general? Why are we seeing particularly the altcoins dumping like crazy? What is causing this? We're going to demystify that, and also in 48 hours, a huge event is going to affect the price of XRP, Dogecoin, Bitcoin, and most altcoins out there. So we're going to be talking about that and much more in this video. Kind of like, time to be awake, time to be awake. Wake up out there. And don't forget to go down there and smash the likes. And don't forget to support the channel with super thanks out there. And remember, now this is financial advice. We're going to hopefully start doing charity videos. And you can support the channel with super chats. And so far we have collected around about $10. Ambassador gave a super thanks yesterday of $4.99. So I appreciate that. So we've collected about $10. So we still got a long way to go out there. So I appreciate it. Remember, in all this financial wise, let's jump into the content. Remember, go back and watch all the other videos. I appreciate it. So what are we seeing today? We're seeing basically poo-poo schmata show. Bitcoin is down, Ethereum is down, XRP is down almost a whopping 3% at $3.14. Yeah, not a good look, almost like down 10 cents, right? Solana is down as well. Doge right now is down almost 5% at 0.23 cents. So it's not, overall it's not looking good. It's not looking good for crypto right now, but I'm gonna tell you why that's happening. And don't forget, in 48 hours something big is going to happen to XRP and Dogecoin, guys. Breaking news. Okay, let me repeat, 48 hours something big is going to happen that's going to affect the price of XRP, Dogecoin. Breaking news out there. Breaking news. Crypto bubbles, pretty much the same thing. Everything is in the red. Remember, cake was up 14%. It's kind of it's shed a lot, right, out there. So we're seeing that the weeklies, Bitcoin is still positive, Ethereum is still positive, XRP is down 11% for the week. Sucks. Bitcoin is down 8.9%. Dogecoin is down 16 freaking percent. But it demystifies me, one of the reasons we're seeing that Dogecoin is down is there's been no real catalyst for Doge, right? Recently, nothing, no big news. So it's just kind of going flat, right? So that's kind of what it is. A bit of a depressing poo-poo schmata show. We're seeing market cap is down 1.47% at 3.88 trillion. You can see the number right there. We're seeing fear and greed for overall crypto is at 63 right now. The fear and greed for Bitcoin right now, let me just give this a minty refresh. Don't forget to smash the likes. Smash the like and comment 111. If you love the Doge, if you love the OG, if you love XRP. We're still seeing the fear and greed is pretty stable. That's good, right? That's good news. So overall, we're seeing a bad day in crypto out there. Not much to report here. Yeah. 313 down 2.8%, and this came out. XRP isn't just a crypto, it's an ultimate bridge. No borders, no boundaries, no government control as the world tokenizes everything. XRP is poised to connect it all. Okay, so remember, XRP is basically a bridge, right? A bridge between banks and any financial transaction, right? So it's a bridge, guys, and it's gonna be widely adopted. I think the price is definitely has to go up. Has to go up. So yeah, Dogecoin ready to howl again. 30% surge on the radar. Dogecoin has bounced off the 22 support and is now gearing near the 24 zone. So hopefully this chart reveals familiar structure one that previously led to a 31% pump. If history repeats. But we've been hearing this history repeats for a long time. I'm waiting. I'm definitely waiting. I'm not trying to be a negative nice, but I'm freaking waiting, right? Let's get it. So in 48 hours, a big event is the FOMC rate decision. Okay, that's happening in 48 hours. Now remember, the market is selling off in anticipation of this happening. Okay, so the market has sold off because people are kind of like, okay, taking a risk off kind of approach because there's some uncertainty and doubt as to whether the rates are going to go up or go down or stay the same. I'm 100% sure they're going to go down. I mean, Powell is under so much pressure. There's no illusion that they're going to go down. If that happens, there is going to be a big pump. So I think what has happened is there was a big sell-off when XRP was, at 325, when Dogecoin was at 320. It was when Dogecoin was at 25 cents. Bitcoin was at 119,000. A sell-off because the smart money knows that there's always a sell-off pre-FOMC. Also, a lot of the trading bots have also sold their positions as well. So that's normal, okay? So let's take a look at the technical charts, and then we'll jump into the news out there. Guys, don't forget to smash the likes, give super thanks, I appreciate it. So we can see just a sideways consolidation for Bitcoin. It's sideways, right? Very tight, very tight range. Bull flag is forming. I don't see a bullish divergence here out there. We're also seeing XRP. If we go to XRP on the hourly time frame, we can see that XRP on the hourly, yeah, we've seen a breakdown from this perspective here. Okay, but we're still above this support level. I think XRP is most likely going to bounce up. We've got good support at $3. As long as we stay above the $3, we'll be fine. So this is really going to be the technical zone here in my perspective, and we should hit that zone like on Wednesday. If we're still above the green line, the yellow line, colorblind OG, we're still above the yellow line, then I believe that XRP will probably go in this direction, touch down here, hit the $3 level, and then that's when we'll start to bounce up, and then we'll start to go in this direction. So I'm thinking by mid-August we should see, I think around 370 should be my target. So I'm going to leave this intact, and we'll follow that to see what happens. So that's kind of what I'm suggesting for XRP. Dogecoin, pretty much the same thing. If we look at the hourly time frame for Doge, pretty much the same kind of thing, right, for Doge. Let me just clean that chart up, move that chart higher. Yeah, kind of the same thing. Doge has been kind of going in this direction, and get out of there. Kind of been going in this same direction, and there. And we've got good support for Doge around about, get out of there. Technical difficulties. We've got good support for Doge at 22 cents. So I think, once again, we're going to go in this direction. Doge most likely will go all the way to here, kind of meander here, and then we'll bounce up. And then we'll go back up to 25 cents. That's probably what's going to happen for Doge, in my opinion. Also, breaking news, looks like a PayPal giant has enabled Bitcoin and crypto payments. This is huge, guys, but it's not affecting the price at all, guys. Looks like massive breaking news. SEC has officially approved the Bitwise XRP ETF. This is the moment we've been waiting for. Massive doors just blew wide open for XRP. Wow. So this is pretty good, guys. So, but nothing's going to happen until 48 hours. 48 hours, massive catalyst. Breaking news is going to happen for XRP, guys, and crypto once the FOMC, Jerome Powell, reduces the rates. So XRP price prediction, end of XRP bull rally or healthy correction? I mean, from my perspective, I think this is just a healthy correction. As I said, nothing to worry about. I believe that this is just a sell-off pre-FOMC meeting. Nothing too big. Nothing too big at all. XRP price, how XRP could perform this week, July 28th to August 1st. Like I said, right now, following the strong performance in July, XRP has encountered a crucial period, making pivotal developments with an SEC decision scheduled for July 31st and rumors swirling about potential XRP ETF for BlackRock. The mood in the market seems to be optimistic, but technical signals remain encouraging, and growing interest from institutional hints that XRP may be approaching a major inflection point. Okay, so I think, and this is from Dark, right? I think we're going to see a major inflection point is happening now, and we're going to see a huge pump soon, guys. That's what I think. I believe that, if you take a look at the structure right now, we're seeing charts analysts points to bullish structure forming on the daily time frame, with XRP tracking out a textbook cup and handle pen. Yeah, I think we're going to get back up there, guys. So I'm not too concerned. I am really looking at the FOMC meeting, so that's what I'm kind of looking at. XRP price prediction with Bitcoin eyeing all-time highs. Ripple's $9 to $15 target may come sooner than expected. So this guy's saying that we could see a $15 to $19 target, and this all circles around ETFs, SEC case, whale actions and accumulations. Also, 4.5 billion in 24 hours. Only whale actions are at record high with over 6.6 million holders recorded. So that's pretty cool, right? Hey guys, go check out my link to Blowfin down below, and yeah, it's cool, guys. You gotta check it out. Sign up. Also got a free trading bot. You're gonna love the trading bot, guys. Go check it out. Trading bot time, and you could win up to $5,000 bonus, guys, just by signing up. What else? Well, signal confidence in Dogecoin, but can it match the explosive 484% of out there? So we're seeing a lot of whale activity for Dogecoin. Whales are still buying. There's still hints of ETF and all that kind of stuff, but we're still waiting for a catalyst. Doge rally income, institutional buys, and ETF speculation spark $1 Doge target debate. So we're still seeing that the $1 is still could be happening. The current buzz around Dogecoin stems from renewed optimism that it could breach the $1 mark in 2025. An analyst from Yahoo Finance, FlipPay, placed targets between 14 cents and 158, depending on how institutional interest and ETF proposals unfold. So he's saying basically, if we get the ETF approval, that's going to drive more institutions, and Dogecoin could be a buck, guys. So that's kind of all I got. But don't panic out there. Be blessed. Be well. I'll see you in the freaking next one, guys. Peace out.